Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to transform this coffee table into a beautiful white one, and if you're interested to see the result, then keep watching. I have to mention that I first used spray paint, but it didn't go very well, so I changed my mind halfway and I used a normal paint and normal brush to paint this table. So the most difficult part of this project was the glass top. It was so difficult to remove the black paint, and I had to use acetone and leave it for a couple of minutes to get soft, and then scratch them with knife and like sharp things. It did scratch the glass a little bit, but it wasn't that visible. But finally I cleaned the glass entirely. So for the glass top, I came up with this idea that if I apply some glue to the glass, the back of the glass, and then put these gold flake pieces on the glass, and then I paint them, it would become something nice. It was really difficult to do that, but I did at the end.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
And this is the final result. I'm really happy for my first project. I'm really impressed by me. And yeah, it was quite difficult because it was my obviously first project, but I got so much experience during this project. I'm sure in my future project I'll be more confident. I'm actually doing an entire house furniture transformation. If you would like to see how I'm going to transform my entire house, then stay tuned for my next videos. And if you're not subscribed, make sure to do that. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.